Summer sun and winter cold, we bring in the harvest and try to get it sold. Picking corn, planting wheat, working this farm, doing what I please, doing what I please, what I please, feeding the world, doing what I please, working cows and baling hay. We're riding the Deere every night and day, digging spuds and fighting weeds, working hard, doing what I please, doing what I please, what I please, feeding the world, doing what I please. I'm getting it done, dawn to dusk each day. Not much sleep, not much pay. Praying for rain, down on my knees. American farmer, doing what I please. An American farmer, doing what I please. Just an American farmer, doing what I